Welcome. In front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to limit charging to save battery on your laptop. To do that, you're gonna need to download and install the Control Center application for your ACERs if you still have it. So open your web browser, then the search engine, and search for ACER drivers. Now, once you find this acer.com/home/support webpage that says download ACER support drivers and manuals, open it. Then you'll have to enter your serial number or SNID into the following field, and if you don't know where to find it, you should check your the back cover of your device, and you'll find these two barcodes right there. And as it shows right here, here will be the serial number, and right below is SNID. So you can write one of these numbers down, or just take a picture of them and then write one of these numbers into this field. I'm gonna use SNID since it's much more convenient for me to use. Then press enter, and on the following page you're gonna have to scroll all the way down, expand the application section, and then here click download next to ACER Care Center. And wait until this file downloads. Let's open the download folder. Let me uninstall the previous files. Okay. So once it's downloaded, you have to open the zip file. To open it, you can either double click it or right click and open it with Windows Explorer. Now copy this folder out of here and paste it into downloads folder. Then open this folder and click setup and begin the setup process. It's pretty plain and simple. You just click next, then you read and accept the user agreement, then you click next again, and then you finish the installation process. Like for me right now, I already have this application on my computer, so I'm not gonna install it, remove and install it again, just to save some time. So once you install it, you have to open the list of all applications, then find the Care Center under the C letter, open it. And then click on this orange tab. Okay, and once this page loads up, hit the arrow button next to battery health right here, and here you can enable the battery charge limit by switching this toggle to the right. Then click continue. And this way you will enable the charging limit on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.